Introducing the 2024 Skoda Karoq 1.0TSI 110B horsepower, 5-door style. With a sleek grey exterior and loaded with amazing features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and more, this vehicle is perfect for those who value comfort, safety and style. With 83,335 kilometres on the clock and registered new in 2024, this car is practically brand new. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in your dream car today.